Hey guys, and welcome back. So, in this lecture, again, we are going to learn more about how to earn money through your Canva and your design skills, basically. So, say you have already created some designs and you would like to say sell those and earn through that. So, there is a site named teespring.com, and you go through that site, and you can see in this site basically this site will show you that you can start designing this site through here, and once you start designing you can sell your designs. You can have a price on your design. For example, you can see here, so some of the designs are shown here. So you can see mostly in this design it is just some texts. So definitely they have written a nice text here. They whispered to her, "You cannot withstand the storm." She whispered back, "I am the storm." So definitely the text is powerful. Even here you can see this is just the text, and this is some simple dinosaur design. So you can see these designs are not difficult. In fact, this might not even take 1 minute for you to create. It's just written made to feel. And this is just a small logo here. You can see this one is just a logo design that's available for sale, and these are actually staff picked. So since if you have made just these simple designs and these are staff picks, then your design can definitely stand out here. So you can see you can design your own, so it won't take much of a time to design things like this. Say this person is creating something where it is written squared goals. This would probably not take even a minute or two for you guys to create now. You can design your mobile back cover as well. You can apply some, if you see this, so in Canva, if you have seen basically some backgrounds and gradients in them, so basically just apply those gradients and name it a merge of your own. So you can simply do that much and you can earn your way through Teespring, this site. So you can see there are a lot of background designs and used here. So if you want to actually earn your money, then this is not difficult at all. So for example, if you see here, to insert your uh, logo in some sort of tees, sweater, your caps, or something like that. So this site will give you an option, and users have to add your logo there. So basically, create a logo and make it powerful that can stand from the rest, so that you can earn good from this site. So if you want to learn more about logo creation, let's actually go ahead and do some simple logo creation. So you can see here logo creation is here as well, and even you can do a search right here to create a logo, and then you can start creating the logo. Definitely you will get some templates, and those templates are free. You can go ahead with those templates as well, take some ideas and start creating with them. And if you ask me, a logo is mostly a text, so let's actually create a blank logo. And I'd like you to go to a site called flat icons. So go to flat icon. Let's say I would like to have some logo here, so let's rename this file to a logo. So logo tutor. So you can see here different logo designs are available at here as well. So let's create a logo. So in this site, a flat icon, search for something you'd want to create a logo with. Say you want to create your logo with something as let's see, a traditional Japanese style. Let's see, you create a ramen. Let's see if there are some options related to it. That would be like logo ready. So you can see, even in fact this and this first one, they both are like already logo ready items. So this one was first I catch it to me. You can just download PNG or SVG, anyone would work. So let's download PNG. So let's free download and wait for some time. So it would take some time, but it will download. So you can see this is actually from free pick, and in one of the lecture I had shown you some designs from free pick, so you can go through that route also. So go to your downloads and save this Chinese food. And now go to your logo tutor, and in your uploads, go and upload this Chinese food. You drag it, yes. So your Chinese food is already available now in the center. So drag it to your center, and in fact, let's position it the right way. So it's there. I'd like it to be slightly above the top of it. And now if you prefer to add some text to it, so let's add some subheading text, and let's first of all position it right at a bit here. This is fine. So you can give it anything, probably let's say it, let's just say it ramen for right now. In fact, just creating of this one is fine as well with your logo creation, but for the sake, let's create a let's rename it right now. And in open sans for, let's choose a heavy text for this. Let's see, there are some heavy text available, so let's see how this one looks. So that's fine, I think. Let's look some more. So I guess I like this early right click heavy one, so I'm selecting this one. However, I prefer some letter spacing to be high, so that would be a fine choice. So here your one of the logo design is ready, and you can directly actually get started at here and start posting your logo. So in the top you will get the start designing. Definitely this will say you about sign up and everything like that, and you can sell anything and sell everywhere. This is how this Teespring site works. So you post your design and it will help start sharing your item. So in order to know more about Teespring, you can definitely surf through YouTube and different ways on how you can do it, but this is one of the good place where a designer can post his design. So during freelancing, you have to work on other people's design. While doing Teespring, you can work on your own idea. So this sort of gives you that freedom where you can work on your own idea, and you would know the difference between what could sell and what could work. And if you are clever enough, you can merge both of them as well. So definitely now you have gotten good idea. So you can choose this one for some dark or white background, or if you prefer to add some background to this, you can definitely do that. So let's see if we prefer to use this background or the whitish one. So you can see here the background is also available. So this is as simple as it can go, and this is how our logo can be created as well. So I guess the background, this flip would look nice. So we have learned to create a logo using Canva, and more, we have learned an online way to start our online journey of earning money through Canva. So one of that is definitely this Teespring or Spring. So basically go to Teespring and start your journey. So that will be all for this lecture. Now I'll see you on the next one.